What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the WhiteStone lineup for your S22 Ultra. Stay tuned. I want to give a big shout out to WhiteStone for providing all these items for your S22 Ultra. You can also get it for your S22 or your S22 Plus. I feel like WhiteStone did a dope thing for setting up your S22, going by protecting your screen, your case, your phone, everything back and forth, and having cables, charger, and for your camera. Now, I think they did an amazing job doing this. So out of all of this, I feel like the most important is your screen. This is the best of the best. It's the tempered glass. You got to do all them crazy steps, and it's definitely going to protect your screen. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. Then we have here the case, which I dig it. Is smoke. Let's open it up and see what we got. But it's most likely black and it's smoke. So we're just gonna see how it looks. No, it's actually clear, which is not bad at all. You know what? We're just gonna slap on it real quick and see how it looks. Let's take. Well, you're supposed to peel this the little plastic off, but take my S22, slap it in there. Let me get a microfiber cloth. Make sure my screen is nice and clean. Shut it off real quick so I can see where is it dirty. So it's not really that bad. Something simple. Got a little. Oh, I can wipe that off. So WhiteStone right now is take care of your frame and your back so it won't get scratched up. So they got that down pack. Now we're going to look at the Dome Premium Film, which I really don't know what it is. And okay. So basically this is if you don't want to do all the steps for, I guess, if you don't want to do this step right here with the tempered glass, you could get still some kind of film on it. So it's not bad. So they give you that option also, and it comes with a little wedge type of thing, so you could just do one of those numbers. I mean, that's dope. And it also comes with the camera little hump, which is not bad at all. It comes two. So each pack comes with two. Definitely dope. I appreciate that. And everything that I have here, I'm going to have a link down below where you can purchase it. Now they also made a 30-watt power delivery Type-C charger, which you know that it doesn't come in the box. And you might have some laying around. But this is 30 watt. And you know that the S22 Ultra support up to 45 watt of fast charging. So I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna definitely do a video doing a 0 to 100 charge, how long it would take. And they give you a 6 feet Type-C to C cable. It looks braided from the outside. Let's see if it's braided. This way. Doesn't want to open now. I'm telling you, when I cut my nail, I need nails now. Oh yeah, this is dope. I like braided cables. Yeah. This is pretty good from WhiteStone. They did really good with that. I'll do a separate video doing the whole installation for the screen protector to my phone. That'll be another day. And I usually don't put a camera glass on it because I'm really conscious how I use my camera and how the hump. Usually I have cases I never had a problem with that. So I really don't use it. I feel like For some reason, I feel like it will mess up the quality of the picture, but I could be wrong. So I just never really do it. But there's an option for it if you need it, if you want it. Get it from WhiteStone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below. Are you purchasing some of these? Are you getting all of them because you want to get all of them? Or what kind of screen protector you put on your phone? Do you put the regular one? Do you put a tempered glass one? Let me know. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification with the bell. So every time I upload a video, you will definitely get notified. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.